Question 13. Jane sells jewellery. Her commission is based on a sliding scale of 6% on the first $2,000 of her sales, 3.5% on the next $1,000 and 2% thereafter. What is Jane's commission when her total sales are $5,670? So what I've done is to use a number line to break up this amount of $5,670 into the three tiers. So the first $2,000 attracts 6% commission. The next $1,000 attracts 3.5% commission, and the balance is found by subtracting 3,000 from 5,670. So this 3,000 is obviously 2,000 plus 1,000, and that gives us a balance of $2,670, and that attracts a commission of 2%. So her total commission is 6% of $2,000 plus 3.5% of $1,000 plus 2% of $2,670 to give us a grand total of $208.40. So it's option B.